Step into a world where rare natural materials meet high-end craftsmanship, beginning in nature's heart. From the wild, a material of unparalleled strength and beauty emerges, ancient and powerful. Nexa Leather embarks on an exclusive journey, from responsible farming to luxury fashion pieces.
This cinematic documentary takes you through the entire crocodile leather production chain, responsibly managed.
Responsible farming practices are at our core, ensuring traceability and ethical treatment in every step. We respect the majestic nature of these creatures, ensuring their well-being throughout their lives.
From the farm, the journey continues to our state-of-the-art processing facility, where precision begins.
Advanced technology meticulously inspects every skin, ensuring unparalleled quality from the outset.
Each raw skin undergoes rigorous inspection, a critical first step in its transformation into luxury.
Skilled hands perform the initial cuts, transforming raw material with unparalleled precision and care. The skins enter the tannery, where ancient techniques meet modern innovation in massive drums.
After tanning, the skins are carefully dried, transforming into supple, luxurious leather, ready for the next stage.
What do you think of this grain for the handbag?
I like the texture, but maybe a slightly darker shade for the trim here.
If we follow this curve exactly, the support structure should align perfectly. I see. I'll start the cut now.
Expert hands meticulously cut each pattern, ensuring every piece of leather is perfectly utilized. Modern technology assists, with laser precision crafting intricate details, blending innovation with artistry.
The Nexa leather emblem, a mark of authenticity and unparalleled luxury, is precisely embossed onto each creation. The culmination of skill and passion. Exquisite luxury pieces, each a testament to Nexa leather's artistry.
The final touch. Each masterpiece is meticulously packaged, ready to embark on its journey to distinction.
Behold the culmination. Nexa Leather's luxury pieces, epitomizing timeless style and unparalleled craftsmanship. From concept to couture, each piece transcends fashion, becoming an iconic statement of sophistication. Every detail, from the finest hardware to the unique scale pattern, speaks volumes of luxury.
Beyond aesthetics, discover the impeccable functionality and thoughtful design within each Nexa leather creation.
Nexa leather pieces find their place in the world's most sophisticated settings, truly timeless.
This is the best view in the city.
And the best company to golden hour.
Even for leisure, Nexa leather travel bags offer unparalleled elegance, accompanying you on every journey.
From classic studies to modern boardrooms, Nexa leather embodies a legacy of enduring style.
Every element, from the zipper pull to the leather, reflects an unwavering commitment to unparalleled quality.
Experience the world of Nexa leather in our flagship boutique, where luxury awaits discovery. From grand statements to exquisite small accessories, Nexa leather offers refined elegance for every facet of life.
The calfskin is exceptionally supple, designed for both elegance and security.
It is exquisite. The clasp mechanism feels very secure.
Nexa leather on the runway, a bold statement, redefining luxury and setting new standards in fashion.
Captured in every frame, Nexa leather's allure, a blend of raw beauty and sophisticated design.
Nexa leather, a global icon, adorning the world's most discerning individuals with timeless luxury. More than fashion, Nexa leather pieces are timeless works of art, revered for their enduring beauty. Our journey concludes where it began, in the heart of nature, respecting its profound beauty. A delicate balance, where nature's precious resources inspire creations of enduring luxury.
Nexa leather, where the raw beauty of nature meets the pinnacle of human craftsmanship.
Our commitment to excellence shines brightly.
Where untamed beauty meets refined luxury, Nexa leather stands as a testament to timeless elegance.
Controlled with expert precision, the transformation begins, guided by years of accumulated knowledge. Every seam begins with perfect alignment, a testament to the artisan's unwavering commitment to detail.
Our climate-controlled vault safeguards our precious leathers, a treasure trove of potential luxury.
If you look at the visualization, the fibers are holding strong at maximum load.
Agreed. Let's log this as a pass on the tablet.
Behind every masterpiece, a team of dedicated professionals guides Nexa Leather's global vision.
Our strategic vision ensures Nexa leather remains at the forefront of luxury, innovation, and sustainability.
Embrace the future of luxury, where Nexa Leather's heritage meets cutting-edge innovation and design.
Have you ever seen leather finished quite like this? It's exquisite.
Truly stunning. The color gradient alone suggests masterful technique.
The mark of Nexa leather, a promise of unparalleled quality, heritage, and timeless luxury.
Our journey begins where nature thrives, a tranquil source of unparalleled natural beauty and strength. In the depths, a gaze of ancient wisdom, embodying the raw power of the natural world. Transitioning from wild beauty to responsible cultivation, our commitment to ethical sourcing begins. Within our farm, every animal thrives, nurtured by dedicated care and a commitment to welfare.
Easy now, easy. That's a good reptile. Just a quick look here. All healthy.
Witness the harmonious blend of responsible farming and nature, a commitment to a sustainable future.
Our dedication extends beyond luxury. It encompasses profound responsibility towards our planet and communities.
Nexa Leather, where rare natural materials meet high-end craftsmanship, creating luxury masterpieces for generations.